Hello, folks and professionals. Let's learn one more concept, billing document posting status E. Till now, we have seen few more statuses and a billing document cancelled. With examples, we can able to see in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. I would like to tell one thing. Don't think that whenever you cancel main billing document, you will not get this status. Then where we are getting? If you cancel pro forma invoice, we will get the status E. If you cancel the regular billing document, you will get the status C only, not E. Probably that we can able to see later. How we will get E, we can able to see now. Okay, so with a couple of examples, and if you would like to check the analysis at header, VF02 or VFX3, these are the two transaction codes for analysis. If any defect is failed at while transferring from SD to FI accounting values. Let's try to check quickly. Okay, so before moving ahead, I would like to request you. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This is my Udemy forum. Currently, I'm holding 6,158 students and 1,000 plus reviews. And this is my prime course SD 112 hours with 425 lectures. And along with this, I have a couple of courses. These two are useful for every functional consultant before getting into the real time, and it is specifically useful for interviews and your work culture also. So this is how to write a functional specification is one of the key important thing for beginners. Any irrespective of any function module, they can able to try these two things. idoc with 5 practical scenarios I have explained. Time to time I will update these courses, and if you look at this, these are the two courses for pricing. Currently I'm holding 2,000 plus students specifically for this course. With that motivation, I have done one more course like that, so many courses including incidents, around 20 plus courses are available. If you really want, you can give it a try. So this is my YouTube channel. If you really want, you can subscribe. Now let's get into the topic. So let's try to create a pro forma invoice, and we'll cancel it. So this is also one of the interview questions people will ask. So how do you cancel pro forma invoice? Generally, you cannot able to cancel by using VF11 transaction. Instead, what you can able to do is, so you can able to complete it. This I have already explained in one of my YouTube videos. You can able to check it. So let's come here. I'm just taking this order reference and GF5, sorry, F5. Okay. So F5 is order related pro forma billing. So now if you come here of the change mode, so by default, you will have a status as for pro forma, it is D. This we have already seen in a previous video. Let me try to come back and try to complete it. You cannot able to cancel it. It's not the standard process. The completing. So if you click this button, complete means it is cancelled. Okay. So let's try to complete it. Let's save this. So once you save this, go inside and go to the header and try to check. See, now you got the status as C. Irrespective of your reference, either order related or delivery related, you will get the same thing. Let's try to do the delivery also. So probably we can do the delivery and try to create a delivery related pro forma invoice, and we'll try to cancel that one. Okay, so let's go to this one, VF01. So now you can choose F8. Okay, so F8. So now you look at this pro forma invoice here also. The initial status will be D, and save it. And let's try to complete this one. Okay, now go to change mode. Okay, then you can able to complete here. So press enter. So it is got saved. Now let's try to check the status. See, now it is got billing document got cancelled. This is how you have to work. In this concept, it is covered a couple of interview questions for your preparation. But just try to follow whatever I say so that it will be beneficial for you. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel if you really want these kind of knowledgeable videos. Please like my video so that it will create a lot of interest to do more videos. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.